Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to sign up for a QQ account. First, download the official QQ International application from your device's app store or a trusted website. Once installed, open the app and locate the sign-up option. You will then need to select your country code and accurately enter your mobile phone number. A verification code will be sent via SMS, which you must input to proceed with the registration process. After verifying your phone number, the next crucial step is to create a strong and unique password for your new QQ account. This helps protect your personal information. You will also be prompted to enter a nickname, which will be your public identity within the QQ community. Optionally, you can provide details like your gender and date of birth. Finally, carefully review and agree to the terms of service and privacy policy before moving forward. To fully activate your account, you might encounter additional verification steps, such as solving a simple CAPTCHA or answering a security question. It is highly recommended to link your QQ account to an email address. This provides a vital recovery method should you ever forget your password. Take a moment to explore QQ's privacy settings to manage who sees your information. For enhanced security, consider enabling two-factor authentication, adding an extra layer of protection. With your QQ account successfully created, you are now ready to explore its extensive features. Begin by sending messages, making voice calls, or even video calls to friends and family. You can easily add new contacts by searching for their QQ ID or phone number. Consider joining various QQ groups to connect with people sharing similar interests. Remember to customize your profile and update your status to personalize your experience and share what you are doing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.